Long-lasting results. Epilate once and get smooth skin for up to 4 weeks with America's #1 epilator brand. Includes Bikini trimmer for precise hair removal on Bikini line. Efficient remove 4x shorter hair than wax. Perfect epilator for beginners to use on legs and body. Convenient, as easy as shaving, as long-lasting as wax for salon-like smooth skin at home. Cordless and rechargeable. 100% waterproof, you can use in the shower or bath, with anti-slip grip for control even when wet. Epilation becomes virtually painless with frequent use in water. Save money, never make a hair removal appointment again. Switch to Silk-épil from waxing at the salon and save over $700 a year. Multifunctional, shave, trim, and epilate with interchangeable heads. Gift. Give the gift of an at-home salon-like experience with the perfect Mother's Day gifts for mom, sister, daughter, or wife. Shop with confidence. Reach out to Braun for any concerns on your products in the first 100 days. Top reviews from the United States. Wow, I love it. My leg hair wasn't even long enough to see, but I could feel it. This little tool removed everything and I love it. The battery life is excellent too, since I think I had it going for almost 45 minutes because I like hairless legs. Definitely glad I got this one.